Yo, what's up? It's Millionaire Hoy, and today we have a fat, scorching cardio abs workout. We're going all standing using nothing but your own equipment. And I'm telling you, this is going to be a calorie killer. So let's get ready to bring it. We're gonna get very intense today. Modification is gonna be up on the screen, and we're moving non-stop. Just 15 minutes. How many calories can we burn? How many steps can we get? Let's go ahead and get right into it. First move we're going into, half juggler sprint. Let's go, bring it up. Knee, knee, heel, heel, come on. Lock that core in. I'm telling you, we're gonna sweat like crazy today. Just do your best. One step at a time. Woo! Feeling in the core already. When you hear that beat, we're going to active recovery, double pump. Come on, crunching through that core. Up next, half whole hollers. To the left, let's go half. Hold, up, sprint 8. Pull that core in, to the right. Move at your own tempo. Come on, just 15 minutes, do your best for this short amount of time, and you will get the best results. Core, knees high. Come on. To the right. Pogo twist. From here, we want a 3-way slanted sprint. Left leg, bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, diagonal. Crunch through that core. Turn. To the front. Diagonal. Drive. Gotta keep that core tight the whole time to work it. Come on. Turn. We're still pushing for 2,000 steps. Double tuck. From here, 3-station juggler sprint. Good. Sprint 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Over. Juggle. Sprint. Over. Come on. Sprint. Over. Push, push, push. Yeah. Come on, book it. Over. Pogo twist. Yeah. Bump those hips towards the front. Squeeze from that core. There's that sweat. Yeah. Right leg. 4, 3, 2, 1. Diagonal. Yeah. Yeah. Turn. Yeah. Let's work. Core's on fire. One rep at a time. Yeah. Come on. To the side. Step it out. All right, tuck it up. Still moving. Come on. Flight directors. Watch the arm. Sprint arm out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Half. Up. Drop. Juggler. Come on. Out. Half. Up. Out. Juggle. Come on. Half. Up. Down. Woo! We're flying. Pole twist. From here, side crunch, ab twist. Obliques are about to work. Let's go. Yeah. Crunch it over. And drive. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. You see those mods? It just becomes too intense. But squeeze. We're really working that core. That's failure. Let's get some more. Yeah. One more. Come on. From here, turn to right. We're gonna tap on the left, cross kick. Hustle down, tap, kick it up. Come on. Yeah. I know. Heart rate's up. We're working hard. Yeah. Yeah. Step it down. Your best is your best. Yeah. Twist. All right, now make sure you look at those mods. Key and play sprints. Yeah. Knees up. Yeah. Kick it back. Twist. And up. Twist with those hips. Driving through that core. Come on. Yeah. Hook it. Legs high. Hop it up. Woo! One more. Yeah. Kick it back. Double pump. Come on. All right, other side. Bring it down. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. You got it. Up in that intensity. Right here. Yeah. Super sweat. Come on, ain't nothing if you fail. We're still moving. One more. Yeah. Woo! That's intense. All right. Pogo twist. Stand on the left, going towards the right, kicking it over. Let's go. Kick it up. Strong. Yeah. Keeping that heart in the red. Ah! Keep that core tight. Swing that kick. Breathe it out. Yeah. Breathe it out. Come on. From here, 180 hook sprint. Yeah. Face the left. Come on. More than halfway there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sprint 8. Other side. Hand up. Come on. Fight. Come on. Yeah. Other side. Yeah. Shake it out. Pogo twist. Come on, let's get those steps. Side to side. High knee tap unders. Sprint 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step under fade. Come on. Hit sprint. Other side. Come on, add some flavor. Give me some attitude. Under. We getting our step today. Good. Breathe it out. Come on, core. Side to side. Sky switches. Let's go. Bring it over. Drive. Drive. Other side. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Strong through that core. Yeah. 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 Woo! Yeah. Yeah. Good mod. Come on. You're doing great. Sagat Sprints. Move the best you can. 40 is over. 3, 4, sprint. Come on, we're so close, family. Just hang in there. I'm hanging in there with you. We're getting a 30-minute workout effort in just 15 minutes. But you gotta work it. Yeah. Back over, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on. All right, left foot, swing, jab, down. Come on. Yeah. Championship rounds. Let's work it. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Get that leg up. Clap it underneath. You ever worked your core like this in 15 minutes? Yeah. One more. Yeah. I think we're on pogos. All right. Pump squat, rainbow kick. Squat it down, up. Come on. Core, hips. All the way up and over. Nice. Let's work. Yeah. Come on, fam. So close. Walk it out. Right leg. Quick step. Let's go. Yeah. And down. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. So close. 2 more exercises. Yeah. Yeah. Slam like you got a problem, all right? Yeah. Yeah. Like you're pushing for those goals. One more. Come on. Yeah. Woo! Just move from here. Front to back, Ickey Sprints. Second last move. 1, 2, knee. Come on, we're bringing it front and back. Forward. Keep those abs locked. And back. Come on, just one more move. We made it this far. Doing some crazy stuff. Just one more to go. Just move. Woo! All right, final move. Drill ladders. Step your foot, come up for 2. 1, 2, other side. Come on. Down, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, this is it. 4. 6. Bring those knees up. 6. Come on, just fight. 8. 8. 10. So close, fam. I can see that finish line right from here. 10. Tap. Now stop till you hear that beep. This is it. Final beep. Bring it in. Fist bump in. Boom. Fist bump. Wait for rocket. And today we got in 2,219 steps. Working that core. Sweat all over the body. And absolutely bringing it. Throw this workout in. The next time you want to come in, burn about 250 calories in just 15 minutes, which is equivalent to a 30-minute workout. Woo! All right, let me know what's your favorite move throughout this workout. How'd you bring it? And how you coming across on your daily goals and on working that core? If you had a great experience, tell a friend and save this workout. Hit that like button. And look, as we go throughout the day, if you really want to work those abs, it's going to happen in the kitchen. Healthy food in the stomach, healthy things in the heart relationship, and healthy things in the mind. Mental health over every single thing else. Sweats all over the place. Until next time we come back and crush it, it's Millionaire Hoy. Take care and peace out.